class. I hope so that you have gone through the previous lecture, and if any query is there in bio, you can ask me. Most welcome. Now over here student, we were on chapter 1 and first factor we had completed about the growth, the defining feature and the non-defining feature. Okay, defining feature means which has got no exception, non-defining feature which means that it has got exception. Any of the character which has got the exception, we cannot set it as a criteria to distinguish between living thing and a non-living thing. Okay, so out here few points I have written out here for a layman language. Okay, say that if I say that how to distinguish between a living thing and a non-living thing, then these are the characters which in a layman language, in a non-biological term, is going to say that yes, it is a criteria for living thing. Okay, likewise the first point is that living beings are highly ordered. It means they are in the organized way. Second is organized into unit called cells. Cell, tissue system, organ system, which is called as cellular level of organization. Next is they respond to stimuli. It's very true. Next, living things develop. Develop over here means they grow in size. That is development. Okay. Next is they reproduce themselves. Yes, it is also true. And genetic information. But do all these points are true? If I told you in before lecture, अगर मैंने आपको कोई भी ऐसा organism दिया जो आपने पहले कभी नहीं देखा है, ठीक है, then how am I going to define it in which type of characters that yes, it is a living thing? For that we have set few characters on the basis of defining and not defining. Growth is a non-defining feature, but internal growth is a defining feature. मतलब कोई भी ऐसा organism जो internal growth show कर रहा है वो एक living organism है. Okay, it means this. Next is second point is reproduction. Reproduction is an ability. Reproduction is an ability. It is not a necessity. And it is a necessity for a population. Okay. Now, honeybees, worker honeybees are there, sterile couples are there which are not reproducing. So we can say them as non-living thing. No, we can't. So reproduction is not a criteria to say that if this organism is reproducing, it means that it is living or it is non-living. So we said that reproduction will be non-defining feature of the living world. Okay. Next, third is metabolism. Metabolism, which is divided into catabolism and anabolism. Catabolism is to break and anabolism is to make. Likewise, photosynthesis and respiration is there. Photosynthesis where the glucose is formed, respiration where breakdown of glucose is occurring. So over here metabolism is seen only in living things. So metabolism is a defining property, defining feature of the living world. Okay. Next, fourth point is stimuli, consciousness. Okay. This property is also seen in only living things. How come? Stimuli, which means a change in internal environment. Okay, fine. Plants hai, plants में छुई मुई plants we are touching. ठीक है, it is rolling back the leaves. Fine. If I am pricking, if anyone is pricking a needle in my finger, I am going to pull my hand. On the fire, also I am going to pull my hand. Fine. There is a stimuli. But when plants are cut, when we are harming plants, do they show stimuli? Yes, because जैसे हमने growth को non-defining feature prove किया था, वैसे ही हम stimuli को भी हम यहाँ पर हम defining feature prove करेंगे. According to definition, stimuli की definition है there is a change in internal environment, and yes, in plants there is a change in internal environment which is occurring in the xylem, in the phloem. Transport in plants, transport of water, translocation of food, which occurs by cell, by the active transport, by the passive transport. through osmosis, through facilitated diffusion. ये सारे टर्म्स अभी हम आगे पढ़ेंगे प्लांट फिजियोलॉजी में. But over here, stimuli is seen in plants, and that is why it is living thing. So stimuli is seen in living thing, and that is why it is a defining feature of the living world. Okay? So now हमारा यहाँ पे जो पॉइंट्स जो हम डिफ्रेंशिएट करते थे बिटवीन लिविंग थिंग एंड नॉन लिविंग थिंग हैज देयर इज अ चेंज इन इट. So revise it, go through the NCERT book. If any query is there, do ask me. I hope so you'll be also able to solve the questions also. Thank you.